What's up, travelers? It's Eliz from Means to Travel, back with another travel tip for our series on this channel called Travel Tip Tuesdays. And today's tip has to do with taking care of your clothes while you are traveling. So we are currently staying at this bed and breakfast here in Ullapool, Scotland, while we do the North Coast 500 massive, awesome Scottish road trip. And one of the things that I was thinking about is the fact that we are trying to make work the fact that we have not been able to really have access to laundry throughout this whole road trip. And while I definitely do sink laundry, and I'll put a link to how I do that in the description down below, I also always bring with me a couple extra tools in order to make sure that our clothes stay as fresh as possible in situations like this one, where we kind of go a while in between official laundry loads. So those tools are Febreze and Downy Wrinkle release. And as you can see, these are not the typical Febreze and Downy Wrinkle release containers that you would maybe buy in the travel section at Target or something like that. I have bought these tiny little spray bottles at at the Container Store. They come in packs of 2. I think you can also buy them online, so I'll try to put a link below because they make awesome stocking stuffers. And then I put labels on them, and these have a lot less fluid ounces than the ones that you would buy at the store, so that way you can refill them and you don't have to take an entire 3-ounce container of Febreze or Downy Wrinkle release that can take up a ton of room in your liquids bag. So here I was able to use my label maker to basically show that what is in each of the different spray bottles. And then let's say I need to give my clothes a little bit of a refresh. I'll just spritz it. And it's gonna give it a little bit of extra life, I would say. So these are definitely really handy to have in my bag for when I need to give my clothes a refresh when I'm traveling. And if you guys have something similar that you use, definitely include your tips down below about how you keep your travel clothes fresh while you are on the go. And also don't forget to add a comment below too if you liked this tip and are gonna consider kind of making your own teeny tiny little travel tools as well. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, as always, give it a like down below. And definitely also don't forget to press the red subscribe button below too to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So that way you don't miss any more of these Travel Tip Tuesdays to come and other travel videos that we release on this channel. Thanks everybody for watching. Cheers. Happy travels. Bye.
Hey travelers, don't forget to subscribe and let's hang out more. Here are some links to other helpful travel videos on my channel, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any new and awesome travel videos to come.